Morning, Agent at Engine Carbon Clean. We've got a BMW 120D. This one is a 2013 model, 97,000 on the clock. Now the owner's used this on a previous vehicle. Just got this one, got us out to get it checked over, get it cleaned up. Minimal stuff on the diagnostics. We've sent that through to the owner, cleared that down. None of that's returned, just a lot of old legacy old codes on there. In terms of the live data, DPF's in good health, 7.5 miles since the last regen. Low back pressure, nice low soot level, so that all kind of tallies. All the injectors, everything else looks spot on. Coolant temperature's a little bit cool, it's up at 89, so given the conditions we're at here, bonnet down, fans off, everything, kind of like it, just a couple of degrees higher. When you do a test on it, it only drops to 82 and then climbs back steadily, so just something to keep an eye on. Doesn't need any kind of replacement yet, but it is 8 years old and almost 100,000 on that thermostat. Just something to keep an eye on over the next couple of years. I always like to point stuff out to the owner before stuff is going to break. The only other thing to pick up on this is there's a very slight rattle from one of the exhaust brackets on idle. You get the revs above about 1,000 and then that disappears. Other than that, this appears to be in pretty good condition. Good news for the owner. Just keep an eye on that thermostat over the next couple of years and get that exhaust bracket tightened up and everything should be fine with this. Cleaned up lovely. This one's nice and smooth and quiet now. Bit of bass noise in it when we got to it, but that's disappeared. Lovely and smooth, and get this back out on the road in about another 5 minutes.